All right, so now here you go. Oh, Rick, okay, Rick is going to enter the class. Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. How are you, baby Rick? Good morning. Hello, can you hear me both? Hello, baby Rick. Hello, baby Rick, can you hear me? Hi. Hello. Hi, baby, can you hear me?
Yes.
Good morning. All right, so now we are going to start our lesson with a song. So teacher will be playing another audio. I want you to listen, and if you know the song, you can also sing, okay? All right, here you go.
Page 71. B. Sing. Ouch.
Ouch, 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 ouch. Ouch, my hand. Ouch, my feet. Ouch, my leg. Ouch, my arm. Oops, I'm sorry. That's okay. Ouch! Ouch!
Ouch!
Ouch! Ouch! Ouch! Ouch! Ouch! Ouch! Ouch! My hand. Ouch! My feet. Ouch! My leg. Ouch! My arm. Oops. I'm sorry. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
All right, okay, so now here we have the ouch, 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 my feet, my arm, and oh, sorry, that's okay. All right, so now let's say and
Page
act.
71. C. Say and act.
Oops. I'm sorry. That's okay.
All right, so now, baby Kai, can you read this one? And baby Rick, the next one. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you can start now, baby Kai.
Oops, I am sorry. That's
Baby Rick?
okay.
Okay, that's okay. All right, very good, both of you. So now, let's continue with this. Okay, we have here the letters W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so first, phonics, say and sing.
Page 72. Lesson 4. Phonics. A. Say and sing. The alphabet.
W, X, Y, Z.
The alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet. A, alphabet, the alphabet.
All right. Okay, so now we got the W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so now lesson, point, and
Page
say.
72. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
W. Woman.
2,
X.
X.
Fox.
3,
Y. Yo-yo.
4,
Z. Zebra.
So now, as you can see, okay, so now baby Kai use the red pen. Baby Rick use the blue pen and trace the letters, okay? Okay, baby Kai and baby Rick. So again, baby Kai use the red pen and baby Rick use the blue pen to trace the letter W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, how about you, baby Kai? Okay, how about you, baby Rick? Okay, a baby Kai. Uh-huh. Oh, what happened? Why it's so big? Okay, how about you, baby? Oh, did you erase the blue one? Oh, oh, where's the blue one? It was from that was from baby Kai, I guess. Who used the blue one again?
Me.
Oh, all right. Can you write again the blue one? It's okay if you have it in the same way. That's okay. Or maybe you can have it like this. Baby Kai here, baby Rick in the other side, like this one. Okay, here. And another one is here and here. Oh, where is the red one? Did you erase the red one?
Yes.
Okay, you can do it again, baby. Okay, you can write it, the one that I made, the boxes below. Baho na to, Dana. Okay, all done? What's that? That's not a letters. That's not the letters, baby. That's not the letters. Okay, can you do it again? The letters W, X, Y, and Z. Put it in the boxes, babies. As you can see, I made the box. Yes, baby. I have boxes here below where you can write the letters. Okay, very good. How about the blue one? What are you guys doing? Oh, do you want to draw?
Yes.
Okay, wait. I'll give you time to draw. Wait, babies. I will make you this one. Okay, baby Kai and baby Rick, you are going to draw. So wait. Kai, please be here on this side. The blue one will be Kai. Okay? And then the red one will be Rick. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I want you to draw your. Okay, you can draw anything that you like, whether a toy, a food, a house, anything that you like, baby. Okay? All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, and you can start now. And after that, you need to describe why did you draw that, okay? You can also put some animals on it.
Read it.
Oh,
Okay.
uh-huh. What is that? Okay, what is that, baby? All right, so after that one, you are going to describe, okay? Uh-huh. Oh, it's a pancake. Do you like pancake?
Yes.
Oh, really? When was the last time you eat pancake?
I don't remember.
Oh, okay. How about you, baby Kai? What is that?
It's Mr. Bone.
Oh, okay. All right. Uh-huh. Oh, there's a sun. Okay, and then after that, I need you to describe it, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, aside from that, baby Rick, do you want to add more?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Oh, why did you erase yours, baby Rick? Oh, is that baby Rick or baby Kai? Okay, so now let's start with baby Kai. Why did you choose pancake?
You choose pancake? Choose
Yes.
bone. Not
Oh, it's baby Rick.
pancake.
Oh, yeah. Okay, who choose the pancake?
Me.
Okay, so why did you choose pancake?
I like pancake.
Oh, so much?
Yes.
All right, okay, that's nice. How about you, baby?
It's a
Why?
bone.
Okay, what's this? The pink one. This one. What's this?
It's a bone.
Oh, a boat. And this one, who is this?
Me.
Oh, you. Are you in the lake?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, very good, both of you. The other one choose the food, and the other one chooses the adventure. Okay, so thank you so much. So now, look and find. Okay, again, baby Rick, use red one. Baby Kai, use blue one. Again, Rick, red one, and Kai, blue one. All right, so now please circle. Zebra. Okay, zebra. Rick, red one. Kai, blue one. Where is the zebra? Zebra, 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 zebra. All Okay, very good. And what about the red one, baby Rick? Where's the zebra, baby Rick? Okay, nice one. Okay, find the big letter X. Find the big letter X. Very good. How about you, baby Kai? Find the big letter X. Okay, how about W?
Hmm?
W, the big, okay. How about you, baby Rick?
What are you holding?
Okay, how about you, baby Rick? Big W. All right, very good. Nice one. Okay, so for today, baby Kai and baby Rick, I hope that you enjoy our lesson today. Thank you so much. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye.
Somebody told
Goodbye, everyone. You're still sleepy, baby Kai?
No.
Oh no.